Santosh Kumar from BCom FinTech.
Hello, this is Ashok Kumar from BCom FinTech.
We have to interview random students in our campus.
Our topic is social and extracurricular life.
FinTech. Intro about yourself.
Hello, I am Gautami and I'm from Integrated MSc Biotechnology. I'm a fourth year student.
How do you balance academics and extracurricular activities?
Well, you just have to study, and the very important factor is time management and also maintaining, I think, 8 hours of sleep. So it's just doing both and also taking care of your loved ones. Yeah.
Can you tell us about any clubs or organization you have been involved in?
Yeah, I'm part of Rotaract Club and also Sabist Club, which is a biotechnology technical club. Yeah.
How do you extracurricular activities contribute to personal and professional growth?
Well, I think it builds upon your character and personality, and also you get to know different types of people, and also you get to engage with other people as well. Yes.
What social activities do you participate in outside of academics?
Social activities, as in like parts of the club. In Rotaract Club, we do a lot of activities. Like we go to orphanage school, like Don Bosco Orphanage School, and we go and teach the underprivileged students.
What motivated you to join a particular club or society?
It's just a simple answer. I just wanted to join Rotaract Club because the place where I live, it has a Rotary Club. So, and also my sister's friends, they were also part of Rotaract Club. So I think that was one of the reasons.
How do you think social responsibility impacts university students?
I think it impacts in a very positive way. Social responsibility, you get to be more responsible. You get to be more. You get to realize about your duties and responsibilities as a person, and how it just affects you in the society and as a community member.
Are you involved in any sports or fitness related activities?
Well, no, but when I'm at home, I do play badminton and I go for cycling every day.
Can you share an experience where you made a difference through social work?
Through social work, I think the same answer. I go every Sunday to Don Bosco Orphanage School and teach the students. So we teach them English, and also we get to play games with them. So yeah.
Have you ever represented your university in a competition?
Not yet.
What lessons have you learned from participating in competitive events?
Competitive events. I think you just have to expect less, because when you expect less, then you won't get disappointed about the results.
Can you tell us about any club or organization you have been involved?
I've been involved in marketing and nature club that is organized in our VIT University.
What motivated you to join a particular club or society?
Actually, I've joined marketing club as I have a lot of interest in marketing, and I thought joining the club will make me better to understand the strategies in a real life situation. So I joined marketing club. That's all.
Have you participated in any community service or volunteering programs?
Yeah, actually in 2023 December, our VIT University organized the All India Social Welfare program, and I volunteered for that program.
Are you involved in any creative activities like music, dance or art?
Yeah, I've been participating in Compass dance, and I've been enjoying it a lot.
How do your extracurricular activities help you build friendship?
Actually, in extracurricular activities, we meet the persons whom we are not, whom we meet newly, and the general ideas and the general skills we have in particular will make us to be a friend.
How do you balance academic, social life and personal time?
As these three are interconnected, it's a little hard to manage when you got more stuff to do. But academics is something which is highly mandatory, which we cannot skip or avoid. And social is also, I interact with people. That's how my social life goes. And personal time, I used to have some but now currently it's very tight to have some personal time. And end of the day, we all become physically tired and also mentally. If we had more personal time, we won't get mentally tired easily. So I will suggest people to take some personal time, and I'm trying to allot some time for myself, but which I can't. I'm not that much good in managing this time. Academics, it is mandatory. Of course, I allot, and social is wherever I interact with people, and balance personal. No time I got to do. Yeah.
Hello, this is Ashok Kumar from BCom FinTech.
Hello, this is Anne Maria from BCom Core.
How has university life impacted you personally and professionally?
Well, it was actually a good journey, I can say. At first, while entering into the college, I was kind of scared. I didn't know how it's gonna be, but being my first year was actually great. I was able to learn new things. As a hostler, I can say we had to do things ourselves, and studies from side also, I can say we are doing all the, you might get a lot of things at the end, but still then I was able to make all the stuffs in, prioritize everything, and I was able to.
What is one campus experience every student should have?
Having fun with friends in a good way. I mean, having a gang, good friendship gang, which helps us to know what all assignments has been due, or if there's any happenings which is going to happen, or any due things and all, we'll be able to know from them. That's what a good friendship gang.
Okay. How do you balance academics, social life, and personal time?
It actually goes in the flow itself. There is nothing like how to manage. I mean, it goes in a flow, but mainly we came to college for academic purpose. But yeah, I mean, so the other side also we need to focus. But yeah, you can manage it actually going in a flow. I mean, there's nothing specific how it's going.
I'm Santosh Kumar from BCom FinTech. Intro yourself.
Hi Santosh, I am Shanaika from BCom final year General.
What motivated you to join a particular club or society?
Yes, I have joined one photography club in VIT. Due to my photographical skill, I was impressed by the coordinator. He asked me to join, so I joined in.
Have you participated in any community service or volunteering programs?
Yes, I have participated in NSS camp. I gave some. I worked with many new department people in VIT only, and we went to government school and we served them, and it was a great experience. If you get an opportunity, please do.
How do you think social responsibility impacts university students?
Of course, social activity, because it helps in students' curricular as well as mental and physical health, because when a person explores the world, he gets to know many new things. So it is very useful.
Can you share an experience where you made a difference through social work?
Okay, we have one Tamil drama club. We usually go to many homes like children home and old age home. We celebrated a Diwali festival with them. It was a wonderful experience. They shared their stories, and we shared our love to them. They urged for that love, and we gave that love. It was a nice experience. That was one of the activity I did, social activity.
Have you ever worked in a team to organize a major event? What was your role?
Okay. Yes. Or as a BCom student, you must have heard about Comfest. I organized one event called Trash to Treasure in second year, and final year I was an organizer for the event, Pass the Pattern. So I leaded that event, and that was a great success. That's all.
Thank you.